Hi, hello. Today I'll be going through all the horrible things I did to make this game work in the first place. Let's just go. Do you remember when I said, "Oh, yes, let's use MIDI to make the songs. Let's use MIDI to chart the songs. It'll be so much easier than making an editor." And don't worry, this is a small project anyways. Okay, so you know what a small project would be? A small project would be like 3 songs. We're at like 30 by now, so big whoopsie on my part, and charting in MIDI is really annoying because if you want to test it, you need to export it, put the file in the song, and then try it out. It's too much work. You gotta wait like 30 seconds to test it. And yeah, so funny thing about MIDI, like do you know how in music you can only listen to the part of the music where it's playing it? You can't I don't know how to explain this, but like if you load music, you don't know where in the songs the notes are until you play them. It's like the same for MIDI. It's a live thing. You can only figure out where the notes are by playing the song. You need to spawn them a bit below the notes and then wait for them to come up. Big whoopsie there is that means there's a delay. Funny thing, when there's a delay, like when I set it up to have a delay, it can desync. And we really don't want that. But luckily, the MIDI thing, the MIDI extension I'm using as a feature. And yeah, the problem was that if you paused and unpaused over and over and over again forever, it would desync pretty quickly. Long story short, I need 6 audio players to keep everything working. And it sucks. But it works. And just like that, look at this. Look at this pause menu. This took me so long to do, but it works now. It works now. I fixed it. I saved the world. I didn't mean to do that. But yeah, that's how I did pausing. Now I'd like to show you how we did BPM changes because Hypercharge has like a BPM change in the middle. So that's where we had to get 2 sets of events in. There's an event for there's camera events, and then we had note events somewhere here. Where is it? God, this is how I did it. Oh, that's really bad. Okay, this sucks. Please ignore. Debug. The baby. Why is it called the baby? Why did I name it that? There, look, event list, and we have beat events, and we can add one, new beat event. Yeah, and there's just change BPM or change timer, and you know what you had to do? You had to input the specific beat where the BPM changes, and then the number what the BPM changes to. And there's like 16 beats per bar. I thought we could pull it off. I thought we might be able to pull it off. But then when it came time to add like dialogue, everything kind of fell apart. At this point, I didn't want to do this thing. Like the way my brain works, if something's really, really tedious, I just won't do it. And the charts were really slow to make. It was like, fine, I'll go chart it. But I'm not gonna like it. And it was about time we did actually just make a chart editor. It was not worth it anymore. So yeah, join me next time when I do actually just make a chart editor.